how do I get access to property easements? I'm looking for either I will have recorded documents in Title Pro or RealQuest Pro, by the way, too. Don't forget CoreLogic's RealQuest Pro. They have been upping their game like nuts in the last kind of year or two. We've been with them for years, and we have such an amazing relationship with them, and I don't know what we do without them. And they have been, now they're on a mission to have every possible document possible on these properties. And then between the three, don't forget I have data tree that you get as a land academy member. You actually get all three. I can go in and find between these three. I can go back, as far as I need to for deeds. I can even find mortgage docs if I'm looking at a house. I can find plat maps. You can find recorded easements, things like that. It's all in those documents.